Looking to easily mount a network drive in an enterprise or home environment? Well, this is Tech Simplicity, and you're watching the NetUse command explained. What's going on, everyone? In today's video, I wanted to show you how to very quickly attach a network drive to your computer if you happen to know the path of said drive and the credentials needed to access it. This method can be used in enterprise environments or in a home network setting. In this example, I will be using a network drive that I have set up in my home network. That being said, let's get right into it. First, you will need to examine the drives that you currently have on your computer and pick a letter of the alphabet that is not currently being used. As you can see here in this example, I'm using the letter C all the way up to the letter L, so those letters are off limits. That said, I'll choose a random one such as the letter X. Once you have this, open the command prompt. Then type in the command net space use space the letter you want to use for the drive, in my case X, colon, space, 2 backslashes, the network address, and then a backslash, and the folder name that you're trying to mount. As a note, your address may be longer than mine if you're trying to mount a folder that's deeper than just the root folder. Once you have this typed in, press enter on your keyboard. You then may be prompted to enter the username and password for this drive. If so, simply enter those credentials. Once this is done, you can close the command prompt and check your File Explorer window, and you should see the drive that you just mounted sitting there waiting to be used. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe for future content, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time.